Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep your iPhone screen on all the time without it auto locking or turning off. So let's get started. So in order to do this feature, first thing you're going to do is go into your setting on your iPhone, and then you're going to go ahead and look for display and brightness. And under display and brightness, you're going to go down where it says auto lock. For the phone, by default, after 30 seconds or so, your phone just turns off or basically locks itself. Now, if you want to keep the screen on all the time, you're going to set it to either never or any of the minutes. So if you wanted to do it for a couple more minutes instead of just 30 seconds, you can select all the way up to every minute interval up to 5, or you can select never. Now, when you do a never, your phone will not auto lock or the screen will not turn off at all unless you press that lock button or the side button like that. But if you, after you unlock it, you can leave it on like this and it will be on. Of course, this will drain out your battery a little bit more than when it auto locks, but this is how you can keep your iPhone screen on as long as you like without it ever turning off. So that's how you keep your iPhone screen on. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.